Hello YouTube, so today's the final day of the hotel out here in Springfield, Virginia. It has to be the last day that I will be here. I plan on being here for the day. I'm gonna check out. I'll just ask him, can I pay like for half of the night? Because I'm gonna stay here for the afternoon. Try to leave sometime pretty soon here while there's still some daylight, while the sun's up. That's my plan. I wanted to just see if a 2-star hotel would let me do this, or to do like a compromise. Maybe let me pay for half of it. That's all I want to do. I don't really even have enough time to charge up like my FM radio's batteries. I like. I don't think I would be able to. So I have some perishable foods in here. Okay. That's just fine though. I tell you what, hi guys. I'm just doing a little review of a chocolate Intimates glazed chocolate. And a little wash it down with some nice whole milk. Oh. I'm pretty happy I was able to do just about everything that I planned to accomplish out here. Now I've finished doing it though. Now I'm on to bigger and better things though. It's time for me to head out. In the instance that I may not be able to be seen in real life or spoken to for a very long time, please, I just want you to let you know that like I'm headed down to Quiet Pines. I'm gonna live in an RV camping resort. I'm gonna camp out right there in that Jeep. And I'm gonna bike around the whole place. Head to the gym, Fredericksburg. That's how I'm gonna stay cool all summer. And I saw they have a giant swimming pool right inside that Gold's Gym in Fredericksburg, Virginia. It's not like I canceled the membership. I'm still gonna go there. You know, so I honestly wasn't gonna do that. Well then why do you think I'm stupid or something? Like, of course I'm gonna go back down there and like stay there. Last time I was there, I should have never left. It was such a fantastic area though. At least I get to stay up around here, ride my bicycle all around Springfield. That's what I was doing out here, is riding. Hardly even driving at all. While I've been here, I've just been on my bicycle. And that's what I'm actually used to doing. It was like good old times all over again. This is some propane utensils and things like this. Little stove was really handy. And this coffee maker too. I actually forgot to put water in here once, and it's not like it even got damaged, it just got really hot, that's all. enough in here to make a couple of cups of coffee with it. Delicious cow's milk, whole milk, vitamin D. Was it supposed to be vitamin D or is it supposed to be whole milk? I can't tell. They say they have both listed on here though. Well, while I was here, I definitely did some really nice laundry. That's what I was doing here. I put on my boots, these right here, and I cleaned these in the process as I was stomping on it. I had this nice wood light. This is a good soap. Smells good too. Now, here's the other laundry, but it's a little bit mediocre, I think, because it's like refurbished laundry that's been, I didn't even bother drying it 100%. You can still tell it's sort of damp, like just mostly because there's pairs of pants and t-shirts here. It's not like it smells bad or anything. You can tell it's not fresh, but so I still tried my best to rinse it anyway. I'm wearing actually a clean pair of trousers that's still just about as damp as those are. These socks are the same humidity level. These are the cleanest socks I really have though, so maybe I'll shake them around like a tobacco leaf and like let it ripen in the hot, full sun maybe. Oh yeah, put some sun in here. Ripen like a tobacco leaf. Like let it air out for a while. And then this wool coat though, inside this is my cocoon. Okay. I just stuck in there a couple pairs of pants and boxers, a shirt. These are the other clothes I have. They're not as damp, but they're just as clean. I made sure that while I was washing, using the soap, I double checked that I was stomping on it right, and I made sure that I didn't stop doing this on it, flipping them over in the bathtub, plugging up the drain, unplugging it, letting all the filthy water go away. I kept going on that until the water was like mostly clear. You can never really wash your clothing 100%, that's what I've found. These socks don't seem to be that bad because I've actually been wearing them on and off since I did the laundry. Just because they dry off faster than any of the other laundry I have. It's easy to dry off a pair of socks. It's easier than you'd think. Easier than it is to dry a shirt or your trousers. And boxers are actually way faster to dry than anything else because is less material, less fabric. I don't know if you've ever done your laundry manually by hand, but you see what I'm talking about though. It's difficult to do if you don't have enough ventilation and if there's not enough fresh air. Then the air gets too humid and stagnant. You would need a dehumidifier to get it done effectively at all. Maybe I had to go buy one of those things. I thought that I saw one in the Walmart and I just forgot to go grab it. I'm just gonna go get something like that. This is a good way to start the day. It's time for me to check out what I'll do. I got a couple utensils in this pot. I can take it with me down to do that. Okay, now my LED light. Okay, that goes in the same pocket as the cell phone Apple charger. Oh, that's right where I have to. I cannot wait until I get another opportunity to do my laundry again. That was actually fun. I mean, you wouldn't think it would be, but it's hard work though. But it's fun anyway. It's like doing your laundry by hand manually though. That would it's like a cardio workout or something. I felt the need to go and get some creatine while I was doing that. I'm gonna head out. I gotta check out of the place. So make sure that I don't forget. See, I'm gonna take I'm gonna go on a couple of trips first. Get the non-perishable things first. Then since I ran out of toilet paper up here while I'm at my car, grab some paper towels, bring those back up here, take a shower or something, then bring everything else and my laundry back down to my car. And then after this, only after I do all this, give them the magnetic encoder and wait a while. Maybe wait till the sun is just about to go down till I do this. That's the timing I'm gonna try and work out this type of thing. And if I left early at the other place though, they have that on record, they can see that on their system, can't they? Well, who cares if I leave whatever time I feel like today? I get to at least get a little bit more of a say in the price of, or it's like I took the day off work though for Thursday, so then does that mean then maybe I should just go ahead and pay for another night? And what time would they really expect me to be heading up out of here? Right around 11 a.m. though. That seems early, dude. Like they. I mean, to be honest, they knocked on the door at 12:30 today. That's what happened. Or they were here at around 1 p.m. I don't know, man. It's so confusing to me that I don't even bother going up to the clerk and having this awkward conversation with the person behind that desk. Not gonna do that. Instead, I'm just gonna take it as it comes. I'm just taking it all in. You know? That's my thing, is I'm just... I'm just here to enjoy. I'm happy to be here. I'm fortunate to have the opportunity to stay at the place.